Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView Replay. First, locate the Replay button on your chart's top toolbar. It looks like a rewind icon. Click it to activate the feature. Next, choose a point on your chart where you want the market action to begin replaying. This allows you to simulate past market conditions, which is incredibly useful for backtesting your trading strategies and improving your decision-making skills. It's a fantastic tool for learning. Once you've clicked the replay button, your chart will display a vertical red line. This line indicates where the replay will start. Simply click on the chart at the desired historical point, and the market data from that moment forward will be removed. You're now ready to control the playback, allowing you to observe price action as if it were happening live, but at your own pace. After setting your starting point, a control panel will appear at the bottom of your screen. Here, you can adjust the playback speed from 1x up to 10x to suit your analysis needs. You can also pause the replay, play it forward, or even step through each individual candle. This granular control helps you meticulously analyze price movements and test how your indicators would have performed. For advanced practice, try using replay across different timeframes simultaneously to see how market structure evolves. This helps you understand multi-timeframe confluence. Remember to practice your entry and exit strategies by mentally placing trades as the replay unfolds. This builds muscle memory without financial risk. Also, for staying refreshed during long analysis sessions, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep hydrated.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.